SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which fundamentally is very huge. SLP in every way that really matters faces obstruction at $0, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture in every practical sense is by and by esteemed at $0. Backing for the fundamentally bears explicitly has been laid out at $0 the 8th of May 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through genuinely smooth love elixir cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly sort of gotten clarification on something. What generally is transient cost expectation for truly smooth love mixture, for the most part is SLP in all things considered, wise venture, which truly is very huge, smooth love elixir support and opposition levels, and so forth in a genuinely significant manner, be that as it may, prior to jumping pretty profound into the SLP specialized investigation. Generally, let us in every practical sense discuss the really current economic situations, which especially is genuinely critical. Market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,136,850,397,543, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The especially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,136,850,397,543, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is genuinely critical, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value diminishing of 3.71%, coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $313.13. Following a value change of 3.17% within a similar time period, which basically is genuinely huge. XRP, the in every practical sense local coin of XRP, most certainly is somewhere near 6.93 and presently exchanging at 42 cents, exhibiting how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, or so they certainly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending course for especially present moment. Extremely further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a value lessening of 3.71%, coming to $1,841.73 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. Right now, an exceptionally broad, really bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing that truly smooth love mixture support and opposition levels and so on in an extremely significant manner. Smooth love mixture backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they generally thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers by and large become certainly more truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they all things considered thought. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which dealers certainly become fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following generally are the help and opposition levels of exceptionally smooth love mixture, truly smooth love elixir execution. The sort of day-to-day diagram of kind of smooth love mixture explicitly shows that the SLP cost explicitly has an in every practical sense descending development with a 1.18% lessening and essentially beyond 24 hours. Extremely further appearance how really smooth love elixir backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The value worth of the for the most part smooth love mixture coin by and large is remaining at $0. Market capitalization $137,276,313 USD. So in every practical sense, smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels and so on, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. SLP cost changes 4.08% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume generally is floating around $10,395,115 USD. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a sort of huge way. Smooth Love Mixture Value Investigation SLP Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, especially further appearance how right now an exceptionally broad, especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that sort of smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize especially relative strength index, moving essentially normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving commonly normal and remarkable moving especially normal to explicitly break down the future development of the in every practical sense. Smooth love mixture certainly further appearance how support generally is a level at which purchasers really become essentially more sort of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The sort of relative strength file demonstrates that the SLP coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI by and large is at 34. Further appearance how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, showing how SLP generally faces opposition at $0, or so they basically thought. Smooth Love Elixir financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, showing how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the SLP specialized examination. Generally, let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations in a kind of huge manner. While SLP's Williams %R pointer especially is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign especially is in every practical sense conceivable at this rate, showing how the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,136,850,397,543, showing how SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in a sort of huge manner. As per the customary turn, the significant prompt obstruction for SLP may in every practical sense be explicitly found at $0, especially followed by $0, exhibiting that really smooth love elixir support and opposition levels and so on in an especially enormous manner. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency's help levels in every way that really matters were situated at $0 afterwards $0 and in every practical sense, significant way. Determinations there had been an especially regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will in every practical sense go on as lovely long as it certainly stays in the ruddy region. Pretty further appearance how right now an extremely broad sort of bad plunge can be